All right. Greetings, one and all, and welcome to day number 1, week 10. Week 10 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here. This is the 10th week. Um, wow, it's incredible, the journey. But definitely grateful that each and every one of you are here to come on this journey with us. We're going to begin with some review questions, and then we're going to get into what we are doing today. I'm excited for the new topic, but for now, we're going to review what we did last week. That was hire purchase. I'm going to ask Alexandria to do. Alexandria, you here? Where's Alexandria?
Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Petit.
Okay. Do we have good news on
No, sir. Same thing.
you can't be serious.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Nothing changed.
Mercy. That's sad. That's very sad. Okay. Grateful that you're here. Can you do example 1 for me, please?
Okay. A television set was priced at $840. Mr. Jones purchased the television on the following terms: 20% down payment, 10% interest charge on the balance, 10 off the debt, pay off the debit completely in 10 equal payments. Calculate the amount of the down payment. So how are we going to find the down payment? We're going to take the 20% over, then we're going to put it over 100. Then we're going to multiply 840 over 1. So we can cancel out the 0 on the 840 and on one of the zeros of the 100. So, and we also cancel a 0 on top of the 20 and the last 0 at the bottom. That gives us 2 times 84.
Okay.
168. So
good.
So 168 will be the down payment.
Okay,
So
good.
B.
So what's another word for down payment?
I know, Mr. Petit.
What's another term for down payment?
Deposit.
Deposit. Very good.
Now B. We have to find the balance. So in order for us to find the balance, we're gonna subtract the down payment from the cost of the television. So that's 840. That's the price of the television by the down payment, which is 168. So 840 take away 168 gives us 672. And as you can see, for all of them, the working is right above. Now C. In order for us to find the interest, we're going to take the 10% interest charge on the balance.
Yes.
And we're going to put it over 100 times 672 over 1. So we can cancel the 2 zeros at the top and 1 at the bottom. So that's 1 over 10 times 672 over 1, which gives us, so when we multiply 1 times 672, that gives us 672. 10 times 1 gives us 1. So that's 672 divided by 10, which gives us 67.20.
Yes.
As you can see, the working is on the side there. Now, the balance plus interest. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the balance, which is 672, and we're going to add it to the interest, which is 67.20. That gives us $739.20.
Excellent. Very good. Thank you for that explanation. Shaya, can you explain example number 2, please?
Okay. So example number 2 says a television set was priced at $630. Mr. Roll purchased the television on the following terms. So he has to pay a 30% down payment, 10% interest charge on the balance, and he has to pay off the debt completely in 10 equal payments. So question A is asking us to calculate the down payment. So to do that, since it's up 30%, you do 30 over 100 times 630, and then you cross out zeros. So you get 63 times 3, which will give you 189. and like all the workings on the side.
Yes.
For question B is asking you to calculate the balance. So you do the cash price minus the down payment, which would be 630 minus 189, which would give you 441. Working this. Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Mhm.
To calculate the interest, you do, since it's 10% interest, you do 10 over 100
Yes.
times 441 over
Uh-huh.
1. You cross out the zeros, which will give you 1/10 times 441 over
Uh-huh.
1,
Uh-huh.
which is 441 divided by 10.
Yes.
And to do that, you don't have to do like the working. You
Mhm.
could just move the decimal point one place
Yeah.
once you divide it by 10 and then add
Yes.
a zero. So you
Yes.
get 44.10, $44.10, sorry.
Excellent.
To get the balance plus interest, you do 441 plus 44.10, which would give you $485.10.
That's correct. Very good explanation, Shea. Thank you for explaining that. I love your explanations. Um, Lanaya, you're next. And I like to think that your job is hard because you don't have to work in. So hopefully you have your book there.
I'm trying to find out what.
Sorry about that. Diamond, make sure that when you enter, you mute your mic, please. Again, Diamond. Make sure when you enter, mute your mic. Sorry about that, Lanaya. Go ahead.
Okay. Can you go back to example number 2, please? Because I mean number 1, because I don't think, just to make sure.
Yeah.
Oh, that was the 9. So which? Oh, okay.
We good?
Okay. Yes, I found it. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Good. All right. So read the question for me, please.
So number 1 says a television set was priced at $920. Sorry. Mr. Francis purchased the television on the following terms: 40% down payment, 10% interest charge on the balance, and pay off the debt completely in 10 equal payments. It says calculate the amount of the down payment. So basically all you have to do is oh my God, you can hear me now?
I can hear you now. Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing you have to do is you have to set it up in fraction form. So you would put 40 because it gave us the amount of the down payment. It's 40%. So
Yes.
you put 40 over 100
Yes.
times 920
Yes.
over 1.
Yes.
So you have to cancel out the zeros. You cancel out the 0 from 40 and you cancel out the 0 from 920, which now gives you 4 over 1 times 92 over 1. And that equals 368.
Very good. So
And so
when we multiply the 92 and 4, we get 368. That's what you're saying.
yes, sir.
Good.
And then B is asking for the balance. So what you would do, you would you have to take away the down payment from the price. So you have to minus 938 from 920. 33. Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. 368. My God. From 920. And
Yeah.
that gives you 552.
Good. Okay.
And C is asking for the interest. So what you do, you have to put it in fraction form again. So you put 10% over 100 and you use 10 because if you look back at the top, it says 10% interest charge on the balance. So
Yes.
you put 10 over 100 times 552 over 1. Again, you cancel out the zeros. So you cancel out the 0 from 10 and 1 from 100. And now that gives you 1 over 10 times 552. So when you change that over again, now it's 552 over 10 which
Mm-hmm.
means 10 divided by 552, and
Mm-hmm.
that gives you $55.20.
Excellent.
And so D says the balance plus interest, which is pretty, straightforward. You um, um, add the balance, which is, if you go back to B, which is 552, plus the interest. And if you go down to C, the interest is $55.20. So when you add those, you get $607.20.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you, Lanaya. Daniel, can you explain the second example, please?
So you said the second example?
Yes, number 2.
Okay. All right. A television set was priced at $580. Mr. Hepburn purchased the television on the following items. On the following terms: 60% down payment, 10% interest charge on the balance, pay off debt completely in 10 equal payments. Calculate the amount of the down payment. Define the down payment by, first of all, we need to find, hold on, okay. Wait, let me look at my book, hold on. Example 2, all right. This is, wait, I'm on example 2,
Example
A
2,
or B? A or, okay.
you and A.
Um, I think I did this wrong. Okay. I might have did this wrong in my book. I did this wrong in my book. I didn't know that.
No.
Okay, so let me ask let me ask let me ask we could ask I could ask Alejandro, can you explain example 2? I mean exercise 2. This is
No,
from
like over again.
just start from 8 because he read the question.
Okay, complete the amount of the down payment. So the down payment would be 58 times 6, which is 348. And then B would be the balance. So it would be um 580 minus 348, which would be 232.
Yeah.
And C, the interest would be 10% times 232, which is 23.20.
Mm-hmm.
And then D, the balance plus the interest would be 232 plus 23.20, which would be 255.20.
Very good. Caleb, can you explain number 3, the third example?
On
Can you explain the third not example, but the third exercise?
number 3 says the television set is priced at $890. Mrs. Stubbs purchased television on the following terms: 20% down payment, 10% interest charge on the balance, pay off the debt completely in 10 equal parts. So to get down payment for it, we went up times 890 and 20 over, no, put 20 over 100,
Yeah.
890 over 1.
Yeah.
And then after you cancel out the 0 from 890 and the one from the 0 from the 20, you cancel out the zeros at the 100. That leaves you with 8, 2 times 89, which is 178. To get B, you subtract
Go
the
ahead. Go ahead.
I could look. We did do this in our book, right?
Yeah.
Give me a second.
Yeah.
You can hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, so to get the balance, we subtract 890 from 178 because 890 was the original price and 178 is down payment. And then for C, to get the interest is 10 over 100 multiplied by 712 over 1, which you cross out the 0 from the 10 and 10 from the 100. It's 712 times 1 divided by 10, which gives you 712 divided by 10, gives 71.20.
Uh-huh.
And then you get the multiply 712 by 71.20
To get D, we add or multiply.
R,
Okay.
which gives you 783.20.
So we add 712 and 71.20 to get $783.20. So is that what you're saying?
Yeah, so
All right, good. All right, thank you very much, Caleb. Taekwanya, are you there? Is Taekwanya here? Taekwanya Curry. Ah, guess what? I can hear you. Yes, I can.
It's weird because the grading isn't showing up on my mic.
Oh, that's the thing. Something that's happened to me too. Do you have earphones on or
I have my earphones on.
yeah. It's the same thing happened to me right now, literally as we speak. The same exact thing. I don't know.
I don't
Sometimes
know why, and I was on mute earlier, it wasn't working, and someone's working now. That's so weird.
yeah, they call it bipolar. These machines sometimes bipolar. But I'm glad I could hear you, so that's good.
Yes,
So you're
sir.
not you're gonna call on me, right?
Yes, I know.
Okay, good. So just
Right
stay
there,
ready.
so find the example key, right?
Yeah, no, not for this one. Along in the meeting.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, so let's begin. Today we're gonna be doing not geometry. We're not doing geometry today. We're gonna be doing a nice topic. I like this topic. When I first did this topic, well, today is Monday, right? Monday the 13th of March. When I first did this topic, I think I was in grade 8. And I like the topic because it was new to me. And as a student, I like challenging things. Once I could understand it, I like a challenge. And so I enjoyed this topic, learning it for the first time. And it's one of those topics where it really separates the sheep from the goat. You know, it really helps you to know, really helps persons to know, okay, who really knows their stuff. A lot of persons don't know how to do these things. So it's not something that you see. This topic certainly is not something that you see on every exam, but when it comes and it comes hard. When I say hard, I really mean it comes with a lot of points attached to it. So if you really know how to do it, you will take advantage of those easy points. But if you don't know how to do it, then you'll be in some interesting problems. Okay. What I'm talking about is anyway, let me ask y'all, like, yes, what do you think the next topic is? The next theme?
Algebra.
It's
Uh,
graph.
algebra, graphs.
Points
Ratio.
called coordinate points or whatever it is.
And that? Something like that.
Okay, coordinate points.
Yeah.
All right, good try. Someone was very close. They just didn't add something in front of it. Okay, this is a hint. Y'all get it from right out. That's the first hint.
Pie chart.
Pie graph?
Pie charts. That's what we're gonna be looking at.
So what? So
Pie
who was
chart.
I
close?
haven't been done
Who was
so
close?
long.
Someone
Who's
said
close to that?
someone said graphs. So sometimes it's
I
called
said
pie.
graphs.
I
Yeah,
said
I
graph.
said graphs.
Yeah. Someone said pie graphs. I mean, someone
That
said
was
graph.
me.
Someone said graphs, and I'm like, that's so close. They just didn't say pie in front of it. We're looking at pie charts. So pie charts come in the shape of what? What's the shape of it?
A circle?
A circle, yeah. It has different sections, so it's a divided circle. So we're gonna be looking at example one. Like I said, if you know how to do it, you know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, then you're gonna be in some serious problems. The thing about this is that this has some, and I'm glad that we did geometry already, because this had a little bit of geometry in it. So you're gonna be drawing a pie chart. Now, please take time when you draw this, make sure it's nice and neat. I think it would do well for me just to put it on this side and the questions on this side. I think that'll be probably the best thing for me to do, split it like that. All right, so let's draw it nice and big. And you want to put a center to it. So,
How
I'm
big
gonna
the draw the circle, Mr. Petit?
you have to
What size?
draw the circle like I'd say about 4 lines, no more than 4 lines in your book. So yeah, it's that you haven't done the school. That's good. About 4 lines or 4 spaces. You don't want to do one more than that. That'll be too big. All right. And then you want to put something in the middle. And this goes